And then this is a moment in which this strikes us is hope. Now, I think that's a curious word to use in a context like this, with all this crazy language of eating his flesh and drinking his blood, and he is the bread of life, and the only way that we'll receive eternal life. It's a strange word to use in this conversation, but it turns out that he is the only hope in an otherwise hopeless world. And Peter sees that. So do large-scale national and international issues feel way beyond our control? Do they feel like they're going out of control? There is a God who is bigger than them all, and he is still king, and he is not shaken by any of it. There's nowhere else to go. Jesus is the Holy One from God. He has the words of eternal life. On a much more personal, individual level, does your family have a whole new set of seemingly unfixable issues now? Is there personal anxiety or tension where there wasn't before? There's a God who knows you and who loves you more than you will ever know. And he will never lose a single one who belongs to him. We are all securely in the palm of his hand, throughout this life, through death, and into everlasting life. So I want to finish with this thought. And of all disciples, it's Peter who gives it to us. It is okay to know that there is nowhere else to go, because that just puts us in the hands of Jesus Christ.